Now, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first topic you could speak for 3 minutes. I just read out the topic to you. Describe a time of the day that you like, what time of the day it is, and what do you do at that particular time, and with who you spend usually that particular time, and why do you say that you like this particular time of the day? In what way it is helping you? What are the benefits of spending time that is your time? Speak it for 3 minutes.
Okay. Usually I like morning time. The morning is the first uh, uh, morning time are the best time I feel like because in morning we can do lots of things which we really like to spend for our own self. Uh, so I like morning time. And as I'm a early riser, I woke up by 6, and then uh, uh, then I freshen up and start my day by doing yoga and make myself a breakfast and tea, which I enjoy a lot. And uh, and I usually give myself time in the so full time to myself. So that's why I like morning, uh, and that is why and morning is a time where I really feel fresh and energetic to work and do lots of things during morning. So uh, uh, so because of that positive energy during morning, it remains all through day. Uh, 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 mm, uh, so I uh, so for getting all through day that positive and fresh feel, I do yoga and uh, 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 mm, uh, mm,
Hmm.
uh, uh, not getting anything.
Completed? If you have completed, you could say that.
In, in,
Okay, not bad. You have started well, but conclusion you started to fumble. Okay, something you say and conclude. Don't stop abruptly. I am not getting like that and all. Don't say. Whatever you know, say something and you conclude. If you are not getting ideas also, you conclude it in a proper way that, this is my time, it is my private time, I can plan my things. So every person will have their own, special time, and that time is something, me time, my own time. They call it as, and they do different things. It is something special time that they can concentrate on their own. It depends on person to person what is the profession they do. So I prefer morning time. That is my special time. Thanks for giving an opportunity to speak on this topic. Like that, you could conclude. Okay,
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
fine. And not bad. Six I give you, but how better you could have started by speaking this particular topic, because the topic is about to describe a time of the day that you like, and what do you do in that particular time, and do you spend that time usually with others, and explain why you like and how much you like and what way it is beneficial to you. So first and foremost, you have started well, but little more to get 7 and above. How you could start? You could say that, well, it is an interesting topic to speak about. I'm an early person, early bird, I could say. Probably 5:30 to 6 in the morning, I get up, and once I get up, I refresh myself, and then I have the habit of doing yoga, especially the Surya Namaskar, and which really help me to regenerate and refresh both my body and mind. That's the main reason I get up in the morning. I just stand in open space where I could see the sun and I do the Surya Namaskar. So this is my everyday activity. Probably I do this in the absence of others because I don't like to do any kind of exercise or activity in front of others. So I just go to open terrace and I do the Surya Namaskar and some kind of yoga. So that is my my time, my own private time, the time of the day which I like the most, I could say. So probably 6 to 7, I concentrate in doing something, and then I just think for what I have to do because I'm a working woman. So what new things I know because I get a lot of creativity, innovative thoughts in the morning time. I'm a textile designer, so after doing this, I just do some sketches. I make note some kind of ideas, whatever that is popping in my mind, especially during this morning time, I could say. After that, after 7, one way or other, I could be, busy with my things because I have to go to job by 10 o'clock. Then again, I return back by 8 o'clock. And afterwards, I will be one way or other busy. I don't get this private time of 1 hour morning time that is very special and unique time. I don't want anyone to interfere or do spend time with that particular time with anybody. Always I spend privately, and it is for my development and grooming, and it is helping me to groom physically and mentally and plan my things ahead, and that is why I feel I am very successful in my profession. And so I think every person will have their own private time. It all depends on the job or depends on their lifestyle. It matters, but every person should have at least half an hour to 1 hour to think and assess. What is their lifestyle, what they could plan ahead. That will really help them to move forward in life. So thanks for giving me an opportunity to speak about this particular topic. So this is a